All right, guys. Hope y'all are not losing your minds, being stuck at home for a little bit. I'm gonna try a little different style of teaching this week. Do something a little different than what we did on the first week, since it seems like this may be the way that we're gonna be doing things for a while. But first of all, for y'all that did all your assignments, I appreciate y'all getting that turned in a timely manner. We are working with late work, so if you have not turned those in, make sure you are getting them turned in. But other than that, what we're going to do today, I'm about to upload 20 problems for you. Today's assignment's going to be 1 through 10. I'm going to do 1, 2, and 4 with you. We're starting a new idea today, composition of functions. So I'm going to work some examples. You'll have to finish the rest of 1 through 10. There is a solution key, as I've said multiple times. Are you always going to get credit for just copying the solution key? No, you will not, but make sure we're getting this work turned in. But we're going to break it down, spend 2 days on adding and subtracting composition functions here. But we'll work some examples. I'll show you how I want you to turn your work in for this week. It's actually not going to be submitting answers. You're going to take a picture of your work and submit that, and I'll go through and get all those graded and get us some grades entered. But for today, composition, you'll see those 20 problems uploaded on Schoolology. The first one right here, we're talking about g of x. So it said g of x was equal to 2x. And then f of x was equal to 2x cubed plus 2x. And they wanted to know what g of x plus f of x is. So looking right here at this, whenever it's asking you to add them, it's just plugging in what we know, guys. We know g of x is equal to 2x. We know f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 2x. And then once we get to that point, we're just combining like terms. So we want to go from the highest power down to the lowest power. So we have 2x cubed here. Nothing we could combine it with. So we have 2x cubed, then we have 2x plus 2x. We're going to combine like terms, get 4x. That is the answer we're looking for right there. If you need to look at that a little bit more, pause your screen, pause the video. Go ahead and work through these. Look at number 2 right here. We have g of x is equal to 4x plus 5. F of x is equal to 3x squared minus 3x. And once again, they wanted me to find g of x plus f of x. So once it's adding again, we just plug in what we know, guys. 4x plus 5 plus 3x squared minus 3x. Combining like terms out of this point, going from highest power to lowest, we have 3x squared. There's nothing we could combine that with. We'll mark it off. We've already used it. So then we have 4x minus 3x is going to give me just x. And then plus 5. So that is once again the answer we were looking for. Once again, if you need to look at that a little bit more, go ahead and pause your screen, take a look at it. Trying to keep these videos short so they'll upload easy. Number 4. Now this is one where we're actually going to be doing some subtraction. So think of how that may affect the problem. I'll explain it to you right here. We have h of n was equal to n plus 2. G of n was equal to 2n plus 1. And they wanted to know what h of n minus g of n was. So once again, h of n, plug in what we know, n plus 2. And then we're going to minus g of n. So minus, in parentheses here, my equation for g of n was 2n plus 1. We've looked at this before multiple times. What do you think we're going to have to do here to get rid of that negative sign? Distribute a negative 1. So we'll multiply that out. We get n plus 2. Negative 1 times negative 2n gives me negative 2n. Negative 1 times 1 gives me negative 1. Once again, get down to this step, combining like terms. Negative 2n plus n gives me negative n. 2 minus 1 gives me 1. And once again, that is the answer we're looking for right there. Real quick though, remember whenever we have looked at these, if y'all would do this would really, really help me out here. Make grading a lot easier. But on your paper, number 1 through 10 right there. So I got number 4, my answer was negative n plus 1. You'll write all the answers over here, do all of your work over on the right-hand side. But guys, I'm gonna be grading over 100 of these, so the easier you can make it on me, I would really appreciate that. But if y'all have any questions, let me know. We'll probably try and do videos like this once to twice a week. Also do some live Zoom conferences to answer any questions you have. But like I said, we know it's tough on y'all, having to do a lot of different things, but just work with us, make sure we're getting things turned in, and we'll get you where you need to be. So hope y'all are not losing your minds, like I said, at home. Let me know if y'all have any questions, and yeah, thanks for watching.